no special skill. I believe everything I say. I study everything I do. And I realize I have a short time on this earth and I need to make an impact. And I need to make sure that everything I do every day is not because of what it looks like to someone else, but because I believe that it's a duty for me to be the best I can possibly be. And you will never become that unless you're studying your craft, unless you believe in it, unless you want to become the best you. And not because of who you marry, and not because of who you live around, not because of which country you live in, not because of what the society you live in tells you, but because you're a human being and you have incredible capacity. And you must utilize that. And the people around you are either going to lift you up or they're going to make you average. Your decision.